Okay, give me more energy. Hello. Hi. Wow, it's good. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the most awaited moment of our gathering, the cultural evening and farewell night. I am Daisy Zomon Kimi, and joining me is the ever energetic Mr. John Bora.
Thank you, Daisy. Yes, energetic until someone asked me to dance. But tonight isn't about us. It's about the color, rhythm, unity, and all the late night practices nobody saw. So, to begin with, let's welcome the vibrant and graceful performers from Itanagar Diocese. Let their energy lead us into this colorful night.
Are you guys ready?
Now, let's invite the performers from the beautiful Longstoin Diocese as they take the stage with their cultural item.
Kublai! Nongstoin, Kublai! Good evening to one and all. Just a gist on Kashat Sngay, which will be performed by the Diocese of Nongstoin. Kashat Sngay is a Khasi traditional folk dance of thanksgiving in which an individual or family perform religious ceremony to show gratitude to God for all the blessings He has showered upon him or her through the well-being of a family or a clan. God has set to the earth since the first breath in the mother's womb and the beautiful blessing of good health and prosperity. He further invites God's blessing of good health, prosperity, and well-being in the years to come. Let us welcome the youth from Nongstoin by chanting Hoi! Once more, Hoi!
Hello? Malang-malangam, Alebu are you? Which means, good evening everyone. We, the Itanagar Diocese of Arunachal, proudly presents 5 vibrant tribes. Monpa from the snow-clad mountains of Tawang. Tagin from the hills of Upper Subansiri. Galo from the green lands of West Siang. Apatani from the beautiful Zero Valley. And Nishi, the major tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. 5 tribes, 1 spirit, 1 Arunachal.
Mopin molaju ni gam kom jia Dego dogo tapa do baniga jia Tenalumur kumen laju dada kom jia Dego dogo tapa do bekampu jia Kaju mopin molaju ni gam kom jia Dego dogo tapa do baniga jia Nali mengo gada mupuk pamorasato ara pamorasato odara si pelaju magora logo laju
Wonderful and beautiful opening. Now I invite Agartala Diocese to showcase their cultural item. Make some noise for Agartala Diocese.
Good evening, everyone. Tripura is a state with beautiful color of diverse culture. The state is the home of 19 indigenous tribes. Tonight, the Diocese of Agartala is going to present 3 different cultural dances, namely Lebang, Uchoy, and Darlong dance. These dances symbolized the cultural unity in diversity that define the beautiful state of Tripura. So let's open our hearts to this tradition in vibrant energy that lives in every dance.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Jadule tong thong ma khabara paya jati chela role wani sumo suoi
Uchoy jati boroi role khajo kumba khawoi
Uchoy jati chela role wani sumo suoi
Uchoy jati boroi role khajo kumba khawoi
Kongari kong kongari kong kong kongari kong 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 Kumbario bumbirai
Doba doba binaumi doba doba binaumi
Kumbario bumbirai
Doba doba binaumi doba doba binaumi
Kongari kong kongari kong kong kongari kong 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 Sirte ni mel thad na ilang tiro Lang tin hual tin chua na an leng na ai đang có pui tua la an leng e nam lam ri khen tin reng in re mi
ai dang kho pui tua la alam der de dar long va lan nin nam ni zia dan in ma phal no ro khang nga ang karo sem tum thiam ding hong xua karo
कैसा लगा? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, कैसा लगा? तो जोरदार से ताली बजाइए.
So good evening. Yeah, before I speak, I want to present one small video. Please have a. Yes, thank you so much. Just know what you saw? Sorry? Sorry? Witness, right? Yes. So, this year, we are celebrating 25 years of Silver Jubilee. ICYM is celebrating 25 years of Silver Jubilee. So, this year, we are going to host the National Youth Convention 2025, that is Witness. So, behalf of CCBI Youth Commission and ICYM National Team, I, Supriya Varghese, the General Secretary of ICYM, heartily welcome to you all for the National Youth Convention Witness 2025. So there is no age limit in the participant. So you can bring any number from the parish. So any number means 100 also you can come. So it is welcome to you all. So it is in, we are going to be held this program in the beauty state of Kerala from October 1 to 5. So once again, I heartily welcome to you all our National Youth Convention Witness 2025. As a one family, we will celebrate our convention. Welcome to you all.
So now let's move to the hills of Meghalaya. Let's welcome the Shillong Archdiocese for a beautiful performance.
Good evening, Your Grace, Your Lordship, Fathers, Lady Animators, and to you all, my dear friends, brothers and sisters of the Northeast region. we are going to present to you a song which is known as Power. It is a very well-known song. It is a folk music of the Khasi tradition, which is very much used in common when there is a victory, when there is an achievement which is made by our people. So this word Hoi Kiu is very much used. So now, so when I say Ho, your response will be Kiu. Hoi. Hoi. So here we go.
To extend heartfelt felicitation to the local organizing committee for the exceptional dedication, tireless efforts, and unwavering commitment to make this mega event an unforgettable success. Your passion, expertise, and attention to every detail have not only impressed us and made our stay comfortable here, but also inspire us all to be selfless and serve with humility and love, reflecting the true unity spirit and our universal Catholic Church. To do the honor of felicitation, I invite our Regional Youth Director, Reverend Father John Berman, Regional Youth Lady Animator, Sister Wansuk Lingdo, our Regional Youth President, Mr. Jonah Chitong, to kindly come up on the stage. May I now request all the LOC to come up on the stage. The convener, Reverend Father Kokto Korean, kindly come up on the stage. Dr. Rusu Pohena, Dr. Johnny Rongmei, Mrs. Rokuhu Rosaline, Mr. Swedivi Vincent, Miss Ngoni Agnes, Mr. Vedipal Hilary, Miss Ella Mary,
Mr. Avibu Agustin, Miss Kekrengunyo Catherine, Mr. Francis Pamay, Mr. Kenny Sezo Zviche, Miss Zesevonio Natalia, Mr. Marcus Mengu Kretio, Ovi Vincent, Mr. Ngoni Agnes, Mr. Vedipal Hilary, Miss Ella Mary, Mr. Avibu Agustin, Miss Kekrongunyo.
Not be successful. So, as a token of love, let's give a big hand to the host diocese. The different committees, food, sanitation, everything happened as it used to be. Thank you so much to the host team.
Up next, we invite the spirited youth of Tura Diocese to present their cultural dance. Please welcome them with a big round of applause.
The Archbishop, bishops, fathers, sisters, brothers, young friends, and the faithful of the diocese. Music is the soul's native language, and in every culture, it is through song that the story of the people is told. This evening, we are blessed to share in the rich culture and spiritual heritage of a land through the traditional songs of the Diocese of Tura. These songs are modern, melodious. They are living expressions of our faith, identity, and unity as a people, rooted in the hill and valleys of Garo Hills, and enriched by generations of devotion. These songs blend ancestral rhythm with Christian faith, echoing the journey of our forefathers who embraced the gospel and made it flourish within the Garo culture. Whether sung in joy or in reflection, in celebration or in prayer, these songs carry within them the heart of a diocese, vibrant, faithful, and strong. As we listen, let us not only enjoy the music, but also open our hearts to the deeper message each note carries of thanksgiving, resilience, praise, and the hope that unites us in Christ. Here we go, the Diocese of Tura.
YM, I request
A big thank you to Guwahati Diocese for this energetic showcase. Please give them a big round of applause.
Thank you, Diblugarh Diocese, for the wonderful performance. Are you guys ready for the Rexco special appearance?
देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम हैं दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है
ती बोलली बाळा तू कुठे चालला जा तू तर ऑलरेडी उशिरा आला यू डोंट इवन लव मी कसली रे कमी सांगू का मम्मीला तू बनतो शाणा माझी सासू तुझी मदर ए माझी होणारी हमसफर आय लाईक युअर ब्युटी आय लाईक युअर फॅशन तुझ्यावर थांबून आहे माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे टेक इट एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे टेक इट
She's the girl I want, she's the one I know. She's sent to me from the heaven above. She's so cool, she's so fine. I don't take. And I start to smile. And as the plane flies past, I give a friendly wave. Hello. And then I think about you.